Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, Gut Crash is CVK. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own collapsible box. So this is very portable, and here, it's a little sheet of paper, and then it can collapse, or it can expand to make a box, a big box. So to make this, the only material you will need is one sheet of letter paper or A4 paper for the UK. This makes two, so I'm just going to show you the preparation. To prepare, all you're going to do is take the letter sheet of paper, and it should be long this side, and then fold it in half. So the short side, fold the short ends in half. So it should look like this. And then unfold it, crease it very tightly and neatly. Unfold it, flip it around, and crease the other side. Very, very hard. Just crease it really, really hard using your nail, because this really depends how neat your tear will be. Yes, we are tearing paper, but this is only the preparation, not the folding yet. So just keep doing that, flipping it over and keep creasing it. Do it maybe like 2 or 3 times on each side. Now unfold it when you feel like it's nice and good and very folded, secure. I'll just do it one more time. Unfold it, take the top gently, very gently, to make sure it doesn't rip besides the line you're trying to rip. Pull the sheets of paper, pull the singular sheet of paper down the middle so it rips and tears along the crease that you made. Now one end of this is fuzzy, so you're just going to kind of rub your finger along it to kind of clean it up. This makes 2, so I'm only going to be showing how to do 1, but keep in mind for each sheet of letter paper you can make 2 of them. So I'll put this one away. What you're going to do is fold it in half long ways. Line up the edges very neatly, because that depends how neat your end product will be. Unfold it, and then fold it in half the other way. Now you will make sure that the folded edge is facing you, facing down, and the 2 ends of the paper are facing up. You will take one corner and fold it in to the middle so it'll match up with the crease that goes down the middle. Make sure that the corner you took was not this corner with the 2 ends, but the one with the fold. Now crease it again on the other side. So take the corner and fold it in against the other crease. Okay. Now unfold one of them. Put your finger in the flap, and then just kind of push it in like that. So it should end up being like that. And it unfolds to be a little triangle. Now this side is thicker, so we're going to take this part and then simply flip it over like this. Now do the same on the other side. Unfold the corner, put our fingers in the pocket over here, put our thumb in this point, and just push inward, and then fold it over, and then fold it back. Now it should look like this. What we're going to do is middle crease that runs down the center. Do that on the other opposite side. So it'll look like this. And then take both of them and then fold it down. Flip it over. Do the same. Take the top flat side, fold it in to the middle crease, and do the same to the other side. And fold this part down. Unfold that part, and then fold this point up to fit in the empty space here. See this little empty space here. I'm just going to fold it up like that. Okay, now fold it down. And then it should look like this. We're going to, now, so basically this is when it's in its full compact position. And you can even fold it in half again to make it smaller if you can't fit it. But if you're carrying it somewhere, it's just very small and easy. So just unfold this part again to expand it into a box. Fold down the point. Fold over this part again. So now I should have like a point here. And then take these two, and then just like push it out. And then you'll have to kind of use your thumb to flatten and kind of push everything into shape. And then here is your collapsible box. You can put a lot of things in it. It can be just a fun storage container, and if you don't want to put anything in it anymore, you can just fold it up and just store it away somewhere. It's very, very convenient and easy to use. And I give credit to the person that came up with this. The link for the YouTube video is in the description below. It's just a very nice, fun box, and it's just really easy. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it a lot. And also, please go click the link below in the description to sign up for our newsletter, which comes out about monthly-ish. And thank you so much again for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel, Get Crafty with DVK. And I'll see you soon again for another video. Bye!